After a long day or a long week, it's crucial that you sit back and relax. And that's where Simply Earth's Downtime Blend comes in. Hi, I'm Katie Velskamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. And today we're going to be talking about Simply Earth's Downtime Blend. We'll talk about what's in the blend, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Downtime Blend is made up of the oils bergamot, frankincense, hoewood, lavender 4042, and marjoram essential oils. Bergamot has a citrusy floral aroma, and it's really the star of the show in this blend, helping calm you and uplift you. Frankincense essential oil is a really soothing aroma. It is spicy and woody, and one study suggests that it may have stress-reducing qualities. Hoewood essential oil is super calming. It's one of my favorite oils to help me relax. Lavender 4042 is famous for its abilities to help calm you and soothe you. Its aroma is fresh and floral. Rounding out this blend is marjoram essential oil. Marjoram essential oil is both soothing and calming. You can learn more about these oils and their benefits on our blog, linked in the description box. Use Simply Earth's Downtime Blend to help center, calm, and promote rest. Try it in the diffuser after a long day. Make a room spray using a spray bottle, some oil, and some water. Shake it up and spray it around the house to create a calming atmosphere. You can create a roll-on using 6 drops of Downtime in a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. Fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil and apply it to your pulse points when you're starting to feel uneasy. Another great way to use Downtime Blend is in a bath. Dilute it in a carrier oil, add some Epsom salt or Simply Earth's bath salt blend to create an aromatic and relaxing bath. Let's make sure you know how to use Simply Earth's Downtime Blend safely. This is 100% pure essential oil. You need to dilute it before it's applied to the skin or comes into contact with the skin. You can learn more about dilution using the Dilution Chart linked in the description box. This blend is safe to use around kids aged 2 and up. If you have a pet in the house, make sure to diffuse this oil and use this oil with the door open so your pet can leave. Cats may find some of the oils in this blend irritating. Make sure that door is open so that they can leave the room if the aroma disturbs them. For more about this blend, make sure to check out the blog in the description box. Tell me in the comments what you love about Downtime Blend and what recipes you use it in. Thanks for watching.